Freckles can be fun in the sun. They ray those little brown spots that show up on our skin when we ray out in the sun too long. But for some people, they can become a real problem. And I'm talking about the type of freckles that don't go away on their own. We're talking about the solar lentigines, flat brown spots that appear on sun-exposed skin as a result of an increase in melanin production by our melanocytes. These are the same cells that give us our natural skin color. In this video, I will reveal how you can get rid of freckles using two very powerful natural ingredients. But before we dive into it, I would really appreciate it if you guys could hit the like button down below and subscribe if you enjoy natural health remedies. Thank you so much. Now let's get started. Freckles are harmless, but many people want to get rid of them because they may cause skin discoloration. But there's no need to worry. There are some simple things that you can do at home to remove them. You see, the first step is to understand what causes freckles. This will help you to know how to get rid of them. The most common cause of freckles is excessive sun exposure. When your skin is exposed to the sun's rays, it produces more melanin, which is the pigment that gives your skin its color. An increase in melanin production results in more freckles. Genetics also plays a role in the development of freckles. If you have a family history of freckles, you are more likely to develop them yourself. Certain medical conditions, such as melasma, can also cause melasma. This is a condition in which there is an increase in pigmentation on the skin. Freckles can affect anyone, but they are most common in people with fair skin and red or blonde hair. They can appear anywhere on the body, but they are most commonly found on the face, neck, and shoulders. Now let's talk about the different ways you can get rid of freckles. One way to get rid of freckles is to stay out of the sun. This is the most important step. The sun's rays are the main cause of freckles, so protecting yourself from them is essential. You can do this by wearing sunscreen, protective clothing, hats, and sunglasses. You should also avoid tanning beds. Another way to get rid of freckles is to use a sunscreen. A sunscreen is a product that helps to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. It works by absorbing or reflecting the sun's rays away from your skin. When choosing a sunscreen, look for one that has an SPF of 30 or higher. Apply the sunscreen liberally and evenly to your skin 15 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply the sunscreen every 2 hours or as directed on the product label. You should also know that not all sunscreens are created equal. Some work better than others. So it's important to experiment with different ones to find the right one for you. Also, you need to understand that even if you use sunscreen, you can still get freckles. So it's important to take other precautions, such as wearing protective clothing and staying out of the sun during peak hours. Okay, let's now talk about the two powerful natural ingredients that you can use to remove freckles. The first ingredient is aloe vera. Aloe vera is a plant that has been used for centuries for its healing properties. It is often used to treat burns and other skin injuries. But it can also be used to get rid of freckles. The active ingredients in aloe vera are thought to be responsible for its freckle-fighting ability. These compounds are thought to inhibit the production of melanin, the pigment that causes freckles. To use aloe vera to get rid of freckles, apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel to your skin twice a day. You can do this with a cotton swab or your fingers. Leave the gel on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Be patient and consistent with this treatment, and you should start to see results within a few weeks. However, keep in mind that everyone is different and it may take some people longer to see results. Next, I want to talk about the second powerful natural ingredient, which is green tea. Green tea is a type of tea that is made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. It is known for its distinct bitter taste and many health benefits. Green tea contains a number of antioxidants that can help protect your skin from damage caused by the sun. It also helps to reduce inflammation and redness on the skin. To use green tea to get rid of freckles, you need to follow these simple steps. First, steep a bag of green tea in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. Let the tea cool and then apply it to your skin using a cotton ball. Let the tea sit on your skin for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. You can do this once a day or as needed. Like with aloe vera, be patient and consistent with this treatment and you should start to see results within a few weeks. If you want to make a more potent green tea face mask, here's what you can do. Take 2 teaspoons of matcha powder and mix it with 2 tablespoons of warm water. Add 1 teaspoon of honey and mix well. Apply the mask to your face and let it sit for 15 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your face dry. Follow this treatment once a week and you should start to see results within a few weeks. Keep in mind that everyone is different and it may take some people longer to see results. It's important to note that these treatments may not work for everyone. If you have tried these treatments and they have not worked for you, please consult a dermatologist. They will be able to assess your individual situation and recommend the best course of action. Here are some additional tips to remember. First, be patient. Getting rid of freckles takes time. Don't expect to see results immediately. Be consistent with your chosen treatment and follow it for at least 4 weeks before giving up. Second, protect your skin from the sun. As mentioned before, the sun is the main cause of freckles, so it's important to take steps to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. Third, eat a healthy diet. A healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help to improve your overall skin health. Fourth, drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is important for healthy skin. Fifth, get enough sleep. Sleep is important for cell renewal and skin repair. Try to get at least 8 hours of sleep each night. Finally, manage stress. Stress can contribute to skin problems. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. I know there are many over-the-counter products and treatments that claim to get rid of freckles, but I would advise you to be careful when using them because some of them can be harmful or ineffective. That is why I always recommend trying natural remedies first, because they usually have fewer side effects and are more cost-effective. There are also some potential side effects to consider. First, you may experience some skin irritation when using aloe vera or green tea. If this happens, discontinue use and consult a dermatologist. Second, these treatments may cause your skin to become more sensitive to the sun. So be sure to take extra precautions when in the sun, such as wearing sunscreen and protective clothing. Finally, keep in mind that these treatments are not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you have any concerns about your freckles, please consult a dermatologist. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this information helpful. Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section down below. I would love to hear from you, and if you haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.